Welcome to 25 Sawmill Creek Trail, a residence with a grand presence and stately character. Situated on 1.73 acres of landscaped grounds with endless options for indoor/outdoor living and entertaining with a raised deck, brick paver patio, and outdoor fireplace and privacy of no rear neighbors. This prestigious custom-designed home exemplifies the finest craftsmanship. BLT by Kevin Kerns, over 6,200 square per foot of living space, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, exercise room, a lower-level walkout and a 3-car garage with F-charging station. Highlighted with a dramatic foyer with a 2-story entry with catwalk, soaring ceilings, a gas fireplaces and expansive windows throughout to offer you serene views. Relax in the spa-like primary suite with a jet tub, his and hers walk-in closet, and a separate walk-in shower. The chef's dream kitchen is complete with high-end finishes, including granite countertops, newer Sub-Zero refrigerator, custom cabinetry, a pantry, counter seating at a spacious island and informal eating area with spectacular views. The walkout lower level offers living space with a full kitchen, bath, 2-bedroom, family room and workout area home. Updates include furnace.